In this video, I'm quickly going to walk through the 3 real ways I see to make money to earn profits on Friend.Tech. So if you're using the app and you're interested to see whether or not it's actually possible to earn a profit, then here we go. For starters, and this is the most simple way, is if people buy and sell your shares, then you earn a percentage of the trading fees. So if you become a large influencer on the platform, or you can build a large community somehow, then you can earn those trading fees, and that is the simplest way to earn money on Friend.Tech. The second way that you can earn money is by buying people's keys at a low price and then selling them for a profit. But obviously it's not that simple because some people's keys are super expensive. For example, if we look at some of the top prices, Racer's keys cost 6.44 ETH each. So obviously that's a significant barrier to entry, and you're probably not going to make money if you come in and buy one of Racer's keys for 6.44 ETH because the run-up has already happened. So what's the best way to actually earn a profit by trading people's keys? And the answer really is because of the bonding curve of this application and the way that the key price works, you have to get in early. Once there's already a significant community built up, it's very difficult to actually profit from trading people's keys because you take a 5% hit when you buy and when you sell. And so the real opportunity to make a profit by trading keys is for the handful of people that get into a community of holders early and then sell to people that come later on. And in terms of the best way to do that, really the only way is to stay in the know in the real world when people say that they're joining the app or they're going to join the app, and then be one of the first people to jump on. So for example, if you follow someone on Twitter, a Twitter personality, and they say that they're going to be joining Friend.Tech, then you immediately search them up and buy one of their keys before lots of other people do that. Now there are bots on here that come in and buy up people's keys as soon as they join the application. So it's very hard to be in the first 1 to 3 people to buy someone's keys. But if you're following someone on Twitter, they join the app, they post about it, and you're the 3rd to the 10th person that comes in and buys one of their keys, then you actually do have a good chance of making a profit if the community becomes a real thing. And the larger the Twitter personality, then the greater likelihood that people are also going to buy their keys on Friend.Tech, and you could potentially profit. Now, the third and final way to actually make money from using the Friend.Tech app is the potential airdrop. And what you want to do to earn points for the airdrop is to buy and sell people's keys, but also to invite people and to just use the application. Now, I have not dedicated any significant amount of time to airdrop farming, so I only currently have 10 points. But if you are interested in maximizing a potential airdrop, then these points, which are airdropped to users every Friday, are going to be what you need to actually make money that way. And so those are the 3 really best ways, and probably the 3 only ways that you can make money on this application. Good luck, don't forget to manage your risk, and hopefully you found this video helpful. See you later.